So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Ito pong isang interesting po na trade rumor na nakita po natin sa Facebook. At itong mga nangyayari po or patungkol po dito sa import po ng Ginebra at ng FedEx. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Before we go there, usapan na muna natin kabola itong mga comments. Sabi ni John Del Tudes, paano magka-interest yung iba tao-tauhan lang siya ni Kume sa legang yan, sabi naman niya. Lucas Beranya Makasaet, Abueva to CF or Converge, Aranya to Magno, intro, sabi niya kabola. I think that is lopsided. Batang-bata po yung Aranya, wala pang 25. Calvin Abueva, yes of course, superstar status, pero of course age matters and the difference in age is very huge, and Aranya is a big man. J. Lim, wala na talagang kwenta PBA ngayon, hirap na sila mag-invite kabola at malay. Diba? Meron pa rin kwenta po ang PBA. Still the number 1 league in the country kabola. So at the end of the day, diba, it's still there kabola, and we just need to fight for it by doing our job. And now, ito na nga po kabola. Sabi po ni Coach Tim Cone, diba, kung naghanap po ng rason kung bakit po hindi siya mapalitan-palitan or hindi po niya mapalitan-palitan si Bishop, kasi po sabi niya, that's always been a hallmark of our team. We have a complicated system and you need to grow within the system. Kung bakit sinasabi niya, yung familiarity kasi ni Bishop, diba? So, kahit pa medyo nasa average lang yung galawan nito si Bishop, still, that is already fine, kabola, kasi dun sa sistema naman nila, as he plays longer there, they expect him to be better. Parang yun yung sinasabi. Pero, diba, kabola, they still have that opportunity. And what if, kabola, never naman niya talaga ma-reach or hindi lumapit yung level niya sa playoffs doon sa kaya ipakita po ng Brownlee, diba? So, it can still turn out to be a mistake. While ito naman pong sa Phoenix, kabola, they are just very happy with their import, Jonathan Williams, kabola. Which is yung number 1 na talaga in-emphasize nila dito, wala daw toyo, kabola. In short, kumbaga, hindi po tulad ng iba po na mga imports na pa-importante siguro or what, o marami masyado pong gustong makuha or gusto sa kanya yung attention, kabola. Si Jonathan Williams, hindi po siya ganun. And actually, obvious naman po kabola, no? So napapanood natin, ibang level din talaga si Jonathan Williams. So pinapakita niya po kabola, he is real uploadable, and I think he is the deserving, or he has a good argument kabola for that best import award kabola, which I'm actually rooting for him, although Tyler Bay of Magnolia is also deserving of it. Pero within the situation of the two, I think Williams ako kapag consider mo talaga po yung sitwasyon po ng dalawa kabola. Now, ito naman po yung interesting na rumor gusto natin pag-usapan, ano? May nag-post kasi tinatanong kung bagay daw po yung Ginebra jersey dito kay Cheronteng kabola. Yung baga, yun yung gusto niya pong ipahiwatig. In short, pinapahiwatig niya po that there could be a trade of Cheronteng to Ginebra kabola. Now, kung ikaw ba Ginebra fans, gusto mo ba yung mangyari? Kung ikaw naman San Miguel fans, of course, hindi naman yun nakakagulat. Actually, kabola, kilala naman natin San Miguel, diba? They have this ability to just trade anybody if that will improve the talent level of their team. Of course, Teng is a recognizable name, kabola. Unfortunately, hindi pa naman talaga niya naipakita kung ano po yung kaya niyang ibigay po sa San Miguel Beermen. Kasi nga po, medyo injured po siya. Nung pumasok siya dito sa San Miguel, ilang laro pa lang siya, hindi rin siya makakuha po ng consistent playing time. For Ginebra naman, bagay ba siya doon? Sa tingin ko, hindi. Kasi still, yung kanya pong 3-point shooting, hindi po yun consistent kabola. And meron na silang Ahan Mise, who is that ball handler who can also shoot. So, umbaga, hindi na masyado yung Cheronteng type Saka defensively, hindi rin naman siya ganun kalaking positive kabola. So, I think the fit is not that good sa panangin po natin. Kabakabola sa palagay mo, Cheronteng to Ginebra, pwede ba ito? Comment lang po sa baba.